Alright, we've got my friend's Harley Davidson XLH-1000 Sportster here, and we're going to show you how to remove the carburetor to rebuild it. So first things first, there's this little drain line on the bottom of the carb here. So we're going to go ahead and loosen the little clamp and pull that off. And that's out of the way. So next, this right here is your choke cable, and it's held on by this Phillips screw, so we're going to go ahead and loosen that screw. Okay, so next we've got these two nuts and these studs that hold the carb on. You can either take this off with a gear wrench, or we're just going to go ahead and use a 1/2-inch socket on a swivel with an extension. It's going to be easiest to come from the other side of the bike. Alright, so there's the nut and the washer. Alright, so the top bolt's out. Now we'll go to the bottom one, and this is why you want the swivel socket, because you're going to have to kind of snake this in there. Loosen that one up. Come on the other side here. Nut. The washer's kind of stuck in it. There it is. Alright, we got both mounting bolts off, so now just kind of wiggle it out. We're going to go ahead and engage the throttle and pull this, get the barrel out. Then that comes right out, and there, your carb is off the bike.